Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing 5 natural ways to improve your hair, skin, and nail health. While many people turn to expensive beauty products, there are plenty of simple, everyday habits and foods that can make a big difference in the health and appearance of these important features. By incorporating these tips into your daily routine, you can achieve glowing, healthy hair, skin, and nails without breaking the bank. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into our top natural solutions for beautiful hair, skin, and nails. Tip number 1. Lead with protein. Protein is essential for producing keratin, which is the main building block of your hair, skin, and nails. About 20% of your daily calories should come from protein. Some healthy and delicious sources of protein include lean meats, beans, and eggs. A balanced breakfast with eggs is an excellent way to start your day. Try scrambled or over-easy eggs in the morning with whole grain toast for a nutritious, energy-boosting meal. Tip number 2. Absorb antioxidants. Antioxidants can protect hair follicles, improve hair strength, and may even promote hair growth. Berries, avocados, and sweet peppers are all excellent sources of antioxidants. You can even snack on fresh strawberries mid-morning to get high levels of vitamin C, which can prevent hair breakage. Tip number 3. Find fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, herring, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which may boost scalp health and improve the appearance and strength of your hair. Healthy fats are also essential for the hydration and development of skin tissue and have been linked to improved skin elasticity. Add healthy fats into your diet by enjoying a lunch of grilled salmon with a side of colorful, fresh veggies. Tip number 4. Take in vitamins. Vitamin A is essential for improving skin and hair health. Sweet potatoes and spinach are excellent sources of vitamin A. Try making healthy, baked sweet potato or spinach chips by slicing sweet potatoes very thin or laying spinach in a single layer, drizzling with olive oil and salt, and baking for 30 minutes at 375 degrees for a guilt-free afternoon snack. Tip number 5. Soak up hydration. Drinking enough water each day is an often overlooked way to keep your hair, skin, and nails looking fresh and healthy. Water helps keep your hair and skin moisturized and prevents your nails from becoming brittle. Plus, staying hydrated can improve your overall health and boost your mood. Try drinking water during mealtimes instead of other beverages or carry a water bottle with you to remind yourself to keep sipping. Thanks for watching this video on natural ways to improve hair, skin, and nail health. I hope you found these tips helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.